Mm. Are you sick? I just have an itch in my throat. What are your symptoms? Just the itch and sometimes a little cough. Maybe it's COVID. Have you taken a test? No, but pretty sure it's just allergies. What are you doing? Why are you wearing a mask? You know we're the same person, right? I'm just being cautious, just in case. Haven't you been tired lately? A little bit. I'm gonna look it up just in case. Oh no. It says you have cancer. Well, I guess I don't need this anymore. Well, I also haven't been sleeping well lately, and I have kids, so I don't think it's cancer. Have you had persistent pain? Just some hip and back pain here and there, but I am getting a little older, you know? I think you have cancer. I think I'm fine. But, like, what if you're not? How about I just set up a doctor's appointment? Good idea. That makes me feel a little bit better.